Hi, I'm Michelle Young, owner and CEO at Legacy Plumbing. When we started Legacy Plumbing, it was really important that we change the stereotype of what a plumber was. A lot of people think of a plumber and they think of somebody who's dirty, maybe not honest. That is absolutely not the case at Legacy Plumbing. The men and women that we hire are outstanding humans and individuals, and they care about their craft and they care about the legacy that they're leaving. We really wanted to create a business that treated employees and customers the way we want to be treated. There was a lack in the industry as far as service providers go. You know, a lot of foot in the door tactics where customers couldn't really trust a plumber, and we really wanted to change what that stereotype was. It's a core model here at Legacy that we provide more than just plumbing. Anyone can change a flapper or fix a leaky faucet, but at Legacy, we want to really impact somebody else's life. There are thousands of 5-star reviews all over the internet, and that is completely organic. Our customers are willing to share the good service that we provide because our intentionality in everything we do is to create a wow moment with all of our customers, something that goes above and beyond just plumbing. We're creating customers for life. We're not really interested in creating a quick buck here or there, but really providing a beautiful service for them that would keep the customer calling us back forever. When the technician leaves your house, you're going to have peace of mind that the work was done right, that we stand behind it 100% of the time, and that you have a plumber for life.